Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, January the 11th, 2023. We have here already two puzzles solved. The 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. And the binary, yes, you are interested in the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 5776. Yeah, 5776. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Then here we have 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in this row, in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Then we need to compare. Yeah. Let me do this. Well, double O here. Ten. Do we have a 10 here? No. No. 101. Here we are. Ay. Come on. Do we have a 10 here? Where's the opening? The opening. 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Cannot find the opening. One, two, three. We have one here. No. Here. No. Here. No. This cannot compare. This cannot compare. This column and that column. Empty box 0011001100 empty box 11. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then. 1, 2, 3. Double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. Finished in 6 minutes. Well. Only one time comparing, but you need to find those rows or columns. In this case, the columns. Anyway, like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. For today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.